Okay, Houston, we've had a problem here.
This photo was never supposed to exist because the men who took it weren't supposed to make it home. April 13th, 1970, 3 astronauts. They were 200,000 miles away from Earth when all of a sudden their spacecraft was blown apart. Look at this image. That's not a simulation. That's not a movie set either. That's a real spacecraft with the panel literally blown off. This photograph was from the crew members, wondering if they were ever going to see their families again. Oxygen tank number 2 exploded deep in the service module, crippling their power, their water, and ability to breathe. Mission Control had one brutal reality to face. They had no plan for this. So with no manual, no blueprint, and the clock ticking, NASA engineers worked around the clock while these 3 men were just floating in the emptiness of space. The crew crawled into the lunar module, which, as you know, was designed for 2 crew members to land on the moon. They used it as a life raft, and as you know, it wasn't designed for that. But it worked. 4 days later, against every odd, Jim, Jack, and Fred splashed down safely in the Pacific Ocean. This photo here was taken right before re-entry, the moment they finally saw to the full extent the damage that was going to eliminate them. They had no idea how bad it was until then. The mission to land on the moon failed, but the mission to bring these 3 men home, that was the greatest success NASA has ever had. Thanks for watching, and always look up.